Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of Alpaca Trading. In order to do so, here we are at alpaca.markets. And according to their website, Alpaca is an API for stock options and crypto trading. You could trade with algorithms, connect with apps, and build services with our easy to use APIs. And you can click here to sign up for free. According to Cider AI, Alpaca Trading offers zero commission trading for stocks, ETFs, and options with API tools ideal for algorithmic trading. It provides a web platform with charting tools and a user-friendly interface suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. However, some users have reported issues with real-time data synchronization with platforms like TradingView and occasional platform lockups, which can be problematic for real-time trading, but the platform's functionality seems robust, although potential users should consider the reported issues. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you will find our top AI tool recommendations, including Cider AI. Click on the links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.